Welcome back to the Hair Obsess Club, everybody. So this is a highly requested video from the locals here who have been supporting the club by purchasing my DIY mango butter. So I normally wash her hair in 2 sections. After I'm finished, I divide her hair into 4 sections. Now I'm going to make those 4 sections into smaller sections to get ready to apply product to her strands. Okay, so this is the leave-in conditioner that I'll be using. It's a protein-free leave-in, and I'm going to be distributing the product to the first section. Then I'm going to detangle the hair with a wide tooth comb, and I'm going to apply my Jamaican black castor oil. This is the one I'm going to be using. This is not an original pure castor oil because this one has been infused with other oils. So I distribute the castor oil to her strands, and then I'm going to be adding my mango shea butter hair moisturizer. This is the cream. It's very creamy and it's not too oily. So I just work a little into my fingers and apply it to the section that I'm going to 2-strand twist. Then I'm going to work the comb through to get rid of any tangles. Then I 2-strand twist right down to the bottom. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of my method. Don't forget to like this video if you find it useful. Okay, so let's recap. The first thing I do is add my leave-in conditioner to wet hair. I distribute the leave-in conditioner throughout her strands, and then I detangle with a wide tooth comb. Now I'm going to be adding the black Jamaican castor oil. I'm going to distribute it evenly throughout her strands. By doing this, the hair and her scalp gets moisturized, and then I'm going to be adding my DIY mango shea butter to the section that I will be 2-strand twisting. Very simple, very easy method, and that's what I've been doing. I warm up the butter, I add the butter to the section that I will be 2-strand twisting, locking all the moisture in. So now that I'm finished with that, I'm just going to leave her hair to dry. This is what the finished look is, and the hair is still wet. So thanks to those of you who have been supporting the club locally and have been purchasing my mango butter. I usually sell the mango butter to my friends and family, and now I have to do it more. So this is what she looks like for next day for school. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the club down below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. #HairObsessClub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.